Yes, children, we are back in our lecture. Yes, so we have started with our new chapter, soil, and we've studied about how the soil is formed and what is the composition of soil. So now today let us learn something new about soil, that is types of soil. Yes, we have seen that different places consist of different type of soil. So now we are going to see about types of soil. Soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks over a long period of time. Yes, we know that the formation of soil takes a long time, and the size, feel, color and the composition of rocks will determine the kind of soil that would be formed at a place. Yes, so depending on the type of the rock, the type of the soil is being formed. Now, depending on its physical appearance, the feel, the soil of three main types. Yes, so on the basis of how the soil looks, they are being divided into three main types. First is the clayey soil, then the sandy, and the third is the loamy soil. So now we are going to study all the three kind of soil one by one, and now we will see what is the difference between three kind of soil. So first we will talk about the clayey soil. So clayey soil consists of clay particles. Yes, all of you have played with the clay. Yes, so we know what is a clay. So they consist of clay particles in greater proportion, means the amount of clay is more in the clayey soil. Then clay particles become sticky and lump when wet. So whenever water is mixed with the clayey soil, what will happen? It will become sticky, due to which it holds a lot of water. So what is the benefit of clayey soil? It will hold water for a long period of time. Water does not flow out easily from this soil. Yes, so water will remain in the soil for long period of time, which is good for the plants. Therefore, plants do not grow well in clayey soil. Oh, but plants, they do not grow well in the clayey soil. Why? Because if the water will stay inside the clayey soil, then how the plants are going to absorb the water? When the plants are going to absorb the water, then and then only plants will grow. Yes. Now we will see about sandy soil. So we have seen sand. So it consists of sand particles in great proportion, and then sand does not hold much water. Since sand is rough, water flows out easily from this soil. Therefore, plants does not grow very well in this soil as well. So in clayey soil, the soil used to hold the water. So the plant were not able to absorb the water. Now what happens in the sandy soil? In the sandy soil, the sand is not absorbing the water at all. It is not holding the water. So the plants can again not absorb the water. So here also in sandy soil also the plants cannot grow. Now let us see what about loamy soil. Plants grow very well in this soil. Yes, loamy soil. Why? This soil is a mixture of clay, sand and humus. It is called loam or garden soil. It is known as garden soil. So it consists of minerals, air, small animals and microbes. So plant will grow very well in the loamy soil. Okay, now you know what is sand, you know what is clay, what is humus? Okay, so from the tree, the dry leaves, they fall down. Yes, so they all mix with the soil. It is known as humus. So we have seen that the clayey soil and sandy soil are not good for the growth of plant, but the loamy soil is good for the growth of plant because it consists of all the particles, the clay, sand and humus in a proper amount, and it also consists of minerals and air and microorganisms which are important for the growth of plant. Okay children, so rest of the chapter we will continue in our next lecture. Bye bye.